Greetings, brothers and sisters. I hope you're having a great day, and sorry for taking a long time to upload. I mean, I was supposed to upload around Thursday to Friday, but there's been some issues with my microphone lately, so I thought I'd just upload on Saturday. But yeah, here I am, and we got another video. So I thought I would talk about a little bit more about the millennial reign thing, because the only time we heard about the millennial reign in the scriptures is only in the book of Revelation. You get what I'm saying, right? Basically, what I'm going to try and do is I'm going to explain about it a little bit, and I'm just going to get straight to the point after, because obviously if you watch my previous videos lately, you would know that I'm trying to expose the book of Revelation for what it truly is, because we need to understand that it's not from God. It's Gnostic. All right, let's get on with the video now. So in Revelation chapter 20 verse 2 and 7, we do see that it talks about how, Satan is imprisoned for 1,000 years and Christ will reign for 1,000 years and blah blah blah. I do apologize if the text seems a little bit small to you. I mean, I did my best. But anyways, yeah, basically this verse is talking about Christ reigning 1,000 years. And after the 1,000 years, Satan will be released from his prison and go out to deceive the world. Now, let's just get straight to the point. This doesn't make any sense whatsoever, because my first question is, where in all the writ does it ever say Satan will be in prison for 1,000 years? Besides the book of Revelation, where in all of the scriptures does it say Satan will be in prison for 1,000 years, or that Christ Jesus will reign for 1,000 years? Now, to be honest with you, I've did a bit of research about this millennial reign thing, and mostly in almost every research that I've always see people having a different explanation, a different theory of what the millennial reign really is. They didn't even once question it. It's just like guessing. Like they think that the millennial reign is symbolism, or that it's not literal, or that it's already happened, and so forth. It's just ridiculous. But I did, happen to do a little bit of research of where this millennial reign really came from. And to my surprise, well, I'm not surprised at all actually, this millennial reign has a connection to a rabbi named Cerinthius. Now, I've talked about Cerinthius in my previous videos, but it's obviously that this is coming from him. So I did talk about Cerinthius in my previous video. I know I said this about a dozen times right now, but I thought maybe I'll try to give a little bit of more clear information about this, because I feel like I didn't really say enough in my previous videos. So basically, the millennial reign is pretty much related to the zealots, agent zealots, if you know what I'm talking about. Basically, Cerinthius was a follower of the zealot party. The zealots actually believed that their political military messiah will come down and rule for 1,000 years and basically destroy everyone that doesn't agree to their terms. Sounds like the Antichrist, right? But yeah, basically this is what Cerinthius actually believed, And it goes a little bit deeper than this because the millennialism was actually promoted by a pagan priest in the 2nd century named Montanus. Now, Montanus was basically a cultist, and he believed in the mother goddess fertility. Basically, he was a worshipper of that. This is called Kybele or Kybali. I can't spell her name right, or I don't know, but this is what Montanus worshipped and served. This is the mother goddess fertility who, who basically was a Greco-Roman goddess that was introduced to Greece. Now, I'm guessing you're all just wondering, how does this relate to the book of Revelation? Well, I just gave you, a bit of a history about Montanus, who promoted the Millennium Reign, about this political zealot messiah coming down to earth to reign for 1,000 years and kill everyone off. And this is exactly what Cerinthius actually believed in. And about 35 years, somewhere in 367 AD, the book of Revelation was pretty much forced canon in the Bible by the Roman Catholics and Christianity. I believe that both of them were involved in this because they did not see that what the book of Revelation forged. Well, I hope this video made things a little bit more clearer. If it haven't, then I apologize. Let me know down in the comments, what video I should do next or how I should improve. I do appreciate any feedback given because please believe me that I'm still trying. But anyways, thank you for watching. And if you like this video, give it a like. If you dislike this video, give it a dislike. I appreciate all feedbacks given. Thank you, brothers and sisters. And I love you all. God bless.